Hello, in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to visualize CAD files without any CAD software. So let's say if you are gonna share the file to your client and your client don't have that 3D software and he can't visualize that file. So there is the way with the help of that the client can visualize that CAD files without any need for the CAD software. So let me just draw a part so that I can then show you like how the client can visualize your CAD part. So this is a simple sketch. So I'm just gonna make the random shape so that you just get the idea how we can share the files that the client can visualize in the 3D. So so you can see that this is the like cat part, and let me save it. Okay, so I name it as a cat, right? So right now it's saved as .sldprt. So Solidworks file format, so the client don't have Solidworks file. So what I need to do is that first I need to save as. So I will go here and save as e drawing. So you can see that there is e drawings. So first of all I have to save as eprt file format. So once it is saved, so I just save it. Epart, it's saved. So I'll open that file. Okay, and I'll open epart, right? So you can see that epart is open, and after that I will just go here and I will save as. So if you see that there is html file format, so I have to save as html. Again I'm keeping my directory there. So I have saved as html. Okay, so uh, I'll open that html file. So you can see that you can open that html file in your browser. So all you need is just create the html file and just share it with the client. So client will not need to use any software to visualize it. So you can like visualize like section view. You can hide the part if it's assembly. It's not showing, but if there is assembly you can hide part, you can transparent and all that stuff. So that was just to show you how to uh, visualize CAD file without CAD software. So the basic steps are that, and this is for the SolidWorks. So the basic steps are, first you have to design the part and then save it as let me revise again, then save as e drawings. And once e drawings is saved, all you need to do is just open the e drawing part. uh, Once e drawing is open, you need to do is save as html. And this is this html file is the one that you can share to the person who just want to visualize it. So that was all. Thank you very much.